This program is about mingling different languages, C, C++, and Python, how we can execute from C++ another code, another language. And if there is something defined in C, for example, C string here, example, and here are some example, there add numbers. Suppose these two get greetings, add numbers, they are defined in some C code and that was built with C compiler. How do you use them? So you have to tell that extern C like this syntax and the function names. And then you can use that in C++ code. And here is an example because we don't have this, these are assumed code, some not compiled in C, just assuming that this is a simulated add number simulation and add get greeting simulation. Assume that that is a C function and that will be executed. And this is how, instead of these, you'll be calling these and these functions. They are somewhere it is defined in the C library, and C library is linked. And here is another example of Python, how to run a Python program. So you have a Python script created in the code, is writing to the Python file, temporary script.py, and you need to change the mode to executable, make the script executable, and then run using system command, Python 3, and this, and the data. And you see the result. So this is a simple way to execute other programs. You can have other executable, say Perl script, Python, Java using system call. There are other mechanisms. This is the easiest way to implement. Here is the main, and where add function simulation, add number simulation is called, get greeting simulation is called, multiply number is called, that is a C++ function that was exposed with C linkage. What does it mean? Oh, here. So it is the, you can also define like this, extern C. Right here, it is a C function, and that's what it is calling. And then you run the Python script. And here are some notes, notable notes. Benefits of C++ interfacing is access existing C libraries from C++ and create C compatible libraries in C++, integrate with systems that require C interfaces. And Python, benefit of using Python and C++ interfacing is rapid prototyping with Python, performance critical part in C++, and access to Python's rich ecosystem of libraries, gradual migration strategy to for legacy code. If you have some C++ legacy code you want to gradually migrate, so you can use this, using Python for scripting configuration and C++ for core functionality. Advanced interfacing are not shown here. There's a PyBind 11 for seamless C++ Python integration. That is something, a library. And Swig for multi-language binding, JNI, Java to C++ interfacing, and FFI, Foreign Function Interface Framework. They are also available, we can use it. Now, if we run this program, let's see what it does. We have language interfacing, language interfacing, and we have something here. So this is in the main, and we have the C function call, C++ interfacing, that's the description, this one. And the Python, running the Python is script is created and arguments are passed, and the script has argument 10, 20, and 30. It is having a sum 60, and Python script exited and clean up temporary files. And these are all the descriptions. So if you see the Python program here, it's taking three parameters. Python import print Python is running. It will say Python is running, and arguments are sys argv from 1 to end of those parameters argv, and there is a result. A sum is a function in Python. Use int, convert to int of for each of the x in argument this, and convert to int, and then use sum for each of them. So three items, three values, they will be added, and then the sum is printed. So this is a script is run by C++ code, and that's the summation we get. This is simple but very powerful concept when we have to mingle different languages, existing legacy systems. C is there, C++, Python, or sometimes Java, and all the other languages we can. This is called interoperability of languages. So this is how we achieve a lot of things. These are advanced concepts, so it's very interesting and very useful. And with that, we close this lesson and we'll go to the next even complex and advanced C++ concept. And we have with that, and thank you so much.